Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing another unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the build and decorate your doll house. This is the number 17 guys. It's a little doll chair. But well, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button down below. And while you're at it guys, be sure to hit that bell as well, so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like doll houses, make sure to leave a like down below. And well guys, let's get into this. Okay guys, so we have everything out of the bag and now it's time to check out the magazine. So let's go ahead and let's mosey on down here. Okay guys, so up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse in the Victorian Style. And here it just says, enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. And this is the number 17 guys. And down here we have a picture of how the house will look once it is completed. And guys, this is made by Selvat. And well, let's check to see what we have inside here. Let's see. Here it talks about the dining room. A dollhouse from 1974. Very cool. And we're gonna open this up. And here you can see the dining room. Here it shows you piece for piece all of the things in the living room. Here it talks about the chair and Windsor sofa. And here it shows a picture of the Windsor sofa. It looks really cool. And here it shows you how to make a doll for your doll, or a little decorative doll for the dining room. It shows here all of the materials you'll need. And then it gives you a step-by-step of how to make the doll. And guys, as I've said before in previous videos, I will walk you through how to do all of these steps once we have the entire collection and it will be maybe 1 or 2 videos building the dollhouse together, so make sure to stay tuned for that. And here it just shows some of the last finishing touches. And wow, it looks really cute. I can't wait to make it. And here it talks about the Victorian breakfast and what types of things they would eat in the Victorian age. We have a nice picture there. And here we have a nice painting of how the breakfast was for the upper class of the Victorian age. And well guys, that's the end of that. On the back here we just have what the front of the dollhouse will look like once we have everything together. And of course this is from Salvat. And well guys, now it's time to do everybody's favorite part, the opening, the chair part. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Okay guys, so we have the new doll chair out of the little box that it came in, and now it's time for an up close look at it. I'm just gonna grab it from the table, and there it is. It looks really cute. It'll be a nice little addition to the dollhouse. I really like it because I grew up with chairs that looked very similar to this. I would sit in these and do my homework and eat dinner and lunch in chairs that looked very similar to this. Let me show you guys the other side. What do you think, hun? Do you think it's cute?
Yeah, it's cute.
And well guys, I'm gonna put our new little chair down on the table here. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And make sure to hit the bell, of course, so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And guys, also make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband slash cameraman's channel called Cosas Partner. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys, so make sure to go on over and subscribe to him. I will have his links down in the description below and in the end cards. And well guys, I will see you later. Have a great day. Bye!